guys, today we are gonna make cupcake slimes. Woohoo! Welcome to Sammie's Toy Reviews! Orange in an orange cup. Ooh, I like the color. It's like neon. Mix it thoroughly. You can say no, like swirls.
Beautiful colors.
Well, it's like mixing frosting. That's because we need to mix it like frosting because we are making a cupcake slime.
Mix well.
My hands are getting tired. But the fun part, after, we are going to do glitter. It's coming together. It's coming together. It's coming together.
Wow, look how great is that. What? Yay! That's what we call the
Cupcake!
Cupcake slime. Look at this purple.
Look at this blue.
Look at that. And this orange is waiting to be done.
We'll need to make dough.
Okay.
We're gonna first make a circle and drop it.
Ooh. And pat it.
Pat it.
And mark it with an S.
V.
And put it in the oven for Sammie and me.
Mark the S and put it in the oven for Mommy and me. Actually, that's not how it goes.
It's okay.
We need a roll. What did you do?
It happened.
Let's do a cut. Look at this wedding cake. Look at this cake. It's so perfect. So perfect. It's perfection. 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 It's perfection. No overwhelms, no imperfects, no every. I like the blue. But I won't. Some look for troubles while others don't. It's 1,000 reasons I should go about my day. Ignore your whispers that whisper go away. Oh, oh. Hope you like our video and please give thumbs up and like and subscribe. Bye. Wait, we have a fun part, okay? Ice cream, soda, cherry on top. Who's our best friend? I can forget. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y.